Hi, it's Professor Mary coming to you from the Computer Graphic Arts program here at Rowan College. So in this video, I'm going to talk about submitting your files for grading to the e-learning system here at Rowan College. For all of my courses, you're going to submit your projects, lab assignments, homework, sketch assignments, any assignment through the e-learning system, which can be found on the portal for the college. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to submit a file to the e-learning system in case this might be the first time that you're submitting files to the e-learning system. I also want to point out that before you submit something to the e-learning system, you should double check the project requirements to make sure that you've met them. And I would also double check the grading rubric to make sure that you're submitting a project that will get a good grade. Once you submit an assignment to the Dropbox, you can't take it back. I've turned on that you can only submit it once. Now, what happens if you submit a file that's wrong? Let's say you think you submitted the correct file, but then you realize, oh, that's the incorrect file. What you're going to have to do is either send me an email or a text and say, hey, Professor Mary, this is John Smith from CGA whatever class, and I submitted the wrong file to e-learning. And what I will do is go back into e-learning, remove that file submission, and allow you to resubmit the file. The other thing I want to point out about submitting files to the e-learning system is that every assignment has a due date. In the computer graphic arts industry, we work in a deadline-oriented world. When the client wants the project or the design at Wednesday, the first of the month at 2 o'clock, that's when they want it. So, Professor Mary wants your assignments on time. You'll notice that each assignment Dropbox has a due date assigned to it, and you'll get a grace period. If that grace period has gone by, so for example, if something is due on Monday at 12 o'clock noon, the grace period might be until Wednesday at 12 o'clock noon. If you try to submit something Friday at 1 o'clock in the morning, the Dropbox is not going to be there. And then you're going to have to talk to me about why your assignment is late. And probably should expect a little lecture about this being a deadline-oriented industry and that you need to start adhering and following deadlines. Let me know if you have any questions regarding submitting files to the Dropbox in e-learning on the college website. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to submit a file to e-learning. In most of the computer graphic arts courses, on the left-hand side, there will be an area for submission, what I call drop boxes. So you'll see we have all the course information, the introductory stuff. We have the learning modules, which are week by week. And then down here towards the bottom, we have discussion boards, project sketch drop boxes, and project drop boxes. So if I want to select and submit a file for grading, I'm going to go to the specific Dropbox. I'm going to click on project 1, so I want to submit that. Notice that it gives you the due date, and it gives you the possible points. Then if we scroll down, it's going to let us attach a file from my computer. When I click Browse My Computer, I'll be able to select a file from my computer, or if you have a flash drive, a USB flash drive plugged in, you'll be able to find the USB flash drive over here on the left-hand side. So let's say I want to submit this file to this Dropbox for grading. So I'm going to select the file, hit open, and notice that it automatically will get attached. Now let's say, for example, you select the wrong file. How do I get rid of this file? What you can do is just click Do Not Attach, and says, do you want to do this? Yes, I do. And then it removes that file. Then you can go back and you can select another file and hit open, and it will automatically then attach that file. You can write me a little note Professor Mary, here is my super duper project for this assignment. I spell things right. D-U-P-P-E-R, super duper, sincerely, student name. When you hit submit, it submits this assignment for grading. So that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or talk to me after class or before class or come to my office hours. And I'll be more than happy to answer any of the questions that you might have.